everyone, welcome to Botany Insider. So this particular video is related to, or this particular video is for all those students who are appearing for the GATE 2023 examinations. So as you all know that we have our GATE exam on 11th of February. So all the best everyone. First of all, be confident. In this particular video, I'll be sharing with you all some last minute tips that you need to keep in mind before you're going into the examination. So before starting the video, if you're new to our channel, do not forget to like, share and subscribe to Botany Insider. Download our application. It is available both on the Android as well as on the iOS applications. So what are the various things that you need to keep in mind before going into your examination? Very first thing is stay calm. Do not be in a fear. Do not have any kind of anxiety, any kind of tension. Just stay calm. You got this. You will qualify the examination if you have worked hard enough. If you have done every single thing possible, just trust yourself and for sure you will be getting the results. Second point is try not to study one day before. Like you have your exam on 11th of February. So I would recommend you try not to study one day before, that is on 10th of February. Try to keep your mind calm. Try to have relax. Like you all must have studied a lot since last 4 to 5 or maybe more than that particular duration. So try not to study one day before. Just take a day off and just try to relax your mind. You know every single thing. Just sit, just relax and just make sure that your mind is not in any kind of confusion. Next thing which many of the students tend to forget on the exam dates, that is prepare all of your documents, whether it is your admit card printing, whether it is your identity proof or whatever is the essential requirements. Try that you have every single thing prepared on this particular day. On the last day, have this task that you have to cover up all the things. You have to make sure that your folder is ready with your documents, with your printed admit cards. Try to keep one extra copy of admit card with yourself because you never know what could be, like there could be any backfiring. So make sure that you are keeping at least one extra copy of admit card, and a original identity proof as well is very, very important. Last but not the least, be confident. Plan your 3 hours very, very nicely, because see, in the examination what matters is how you are planning your examinations, how you are planning out your exam duration, because that would be deciding your final result, that would be deciding your main result, right? So make sure that you are planning your 3 hours. On the last day, I would suggest you try to do 2 things. First thing, plan your 3 hours, like what would you be doing, what would be your strategy in those 180 minutes, and second thing, how, like whether you have prepared all of your documents or not. Okay, so these are the 2 main things that you have to do on 10th of February. Except for this, you have done every single thing. Just keep yourself calm. Make sure that you are not having any kind of confusion. Stay calm. Do not be anxious. Do not think about what the exam would be. Just relax. Have very good sleep before the examination and you're good to go for this particular exam. So this was about today's, like this was something I wanted to give you a very brief last minute tips. I hope it helped you out. So make sure that you are giving your best. That is what matters. Result is not in our hand. What in our hand is that we have to perform our best, right? So all the very best everyone. In addition, if you haven't yet downloaded our application and you are preparing for the CSIR June 2023, so we have 2 courses running for you all. One of them is a crash course if you are in the revision state, where you will be getting PYQ hard copies as same in the same course itself. And the second thing is, you'll be, if you're targeting the June 2023 with like as a beginner, So you can give a try, you can enroll with our June 2023 full course as well. In addition, we also have our notes booklet available for you all in hard copy. So make sure that if you wish to, you can download our application and get any of the content which you wish. So all the very best. Good luck to each one of you. Let's meet after the examination. Let's see how your examination was. So all the very best. Good luck and do your best. Bye.